Quick hits first. We're on under 2.5 in Napoli, Milan, Rams +2 in Seattle, and Jazz +8 at home versus the Lakers. And yes, about last card, 1 and 2, minus 1.09 units. We nailed City minus 1.5, then got dunked on by Jaren Jackson Jr. and stonewalled by Jake Allen. 1 clean read, 2 banana peels. No pity party, let's cook. Let's start in Riyadh. Napoli versus Milan, we're playing the under 2.5. Neutral site, semifinal, and the format goes straight to penalties after 90, no extra time, which turns the last 20 minutes into protect your oxygen tank football. That structure plus a quick turnaround to the final rewards risk management, not fireworks. Both groups have leaned pragmatic, and the recent form says tempo control over track meet. We're betting on compact blocks, set-piece handshakes, and a scoreboard that moves slower than airport security. Under 2.5, and we're sipping desert air instead of chasing goals. Thursday night in Seattle. Rams +2 at the Seahawks. This one's about the trenches and the weather, a classic NFC West soup. Seattle's left tackle Charles Cross is out with a hamstring, which is like removing the front door in a rainstorm. That invites pressure off the edge, shortens the quarterback's clock, and forces Seattle to keep helpers in protection, fewer mouths in the root tree. Combine that with rain and mid-teens winds with gusts into the 30s, and deep shots turn into boomerangs. That tilt favors Los Angeles, run game, play action, and a pass rush that doesn't need blitz sugar to get home. Devontae Adams is doubtful, but the number already pays us for that headline. We're grabbing the 2 points in what profiles like a one-score grinder. And for what it's worth, the earlier meeting finished 21-19. Tight as a jar lid your grandma closed. Now we head to altitude. Lakers at Jazz, we're on Utah +8. The number is fat for a building that lives at 4,000+ feet, and the Lakers roll in without DeAndre Ayton and Austin Reeves. No Ayton means less rim deterrence and more scramble rotations. No Reeves means fewer secondary creators when the ball gets blitzed out of the Stars' hands. The Lakers can still hang 30 and a quarter because Luka and LeBron are cheat codes, but 8 at elevation is a lot to cover for a team leaning on older legs and heavy minutes. Utah's kids, Keontae, the wings, and whoever drew the green light this week, push pace and volume threes. That's variance we like with a cushion. If Lauri Markkanen plays, we're flirting with outright. If he doesn't, the 8 still buys us the late-game oxygen tax. That's the card. Desert Under, Mud and Wind Puppy in Seattle, and the mile-high buffer in Salt Lake. We tightened the screws, and yes, we brought our sense of humor. We just left the hubris at home. Let's stack a card where the only gusts are the victory laps.